What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to import your set directly into Ableton without it crashing, and I'm also going to show you guys how I personally master my sets. So last Friday I had a set with Sexy and Closer. That set was 2 hours. Yeah, so if you're a DJ and you're uploading your sets and you notice that they are not loud enough when you're listening to them on SoundCloud, like you want to do this. Ableton has this feature right over here. If you go to live, we're gonna go settings. There is this, if you go to record, warp, and launch, there is a auto warp long samples feature turned on. You need to turn that off. So the reason is Ableton will try to analyze your music or your samples and determine what BPM it's at. And it usually does a good job with shorter samples. But if you're importing a full hour or like 2 hours in this case, it's just not gonna do it because it's picking up on all the transients. Also, if you're like changing the BPM while you're playing, it's just not gonna do it. So you need to turn that thing off, and you should be able to import your set into Ableton without any problems. So we're gonna go over here. I already did this, but I'm gonna do it again. So let's go find my set. We're gonna drag this right over here. Okay, so that was part one. Part two is how do I master my set in Ableton. First, let's go check to see how loud our set is. Let's go to a loud point. Also make sure you turn it down because this is gonna get loud. We'll start somewhere around here. Let's go back over here. So if you're paying attention around over here, we have about 7, almost 8 decibels of volume that we can add to our project here. What a lot of people will do, they'll go over here, grab a utility, and then just go like this, leave it around like 8, and follow it up with the limiter to shave off some of that extra decibels. If you just leave it like this, you're gonna have some problems because there's gonna be certain areas of your set that are probably gonna be a little bit louder, or some areas that are going to be a little bit quieter. So if you leave it like that, there's gonna be certain areas throughout your set that are going to be overly compressed, and you don't want that because it's gonna sound like shit. So what you want to do is grab the gain, and we know that 8 is about the average of volume that we can add. So let's click play and let's see how much gain reduction we're getting from the limiter. Turn it down because this is going to get loud. So as you can see, we're reducing about 1 decibel. So we're going to basically follow the structure of our set with the gain. We're going to manually automate it. So we're going to go like this. So as you can tell, we want to stay as close as possible to the waveform. Okay, this black waveform here, you want to stay as close as possible to it to ensure that you're not overly compressing or that you're not too quiet. All right, so we're gonna go like this, like this. This area you can leave it alone because that's a breakdown, and breakdowns are meant to be just a bit quieter, just because it gives dynamics to the overall, because you just need dynamics. Okay, so we're gonna go like this. We'll bring it up right here, and then we'll bring it down right there. Okay, like that. Make sure we're boom, boom. See that? Like that. Boom, boom. This looks good to me. We can leave that like that. Not a problem. This is a breakdown. You want to leave that. That's fine. But we'll go right there. We'll bring it back down over here. And so basically, you just want to do this throughout your entire set. If you guys want to hear what this sounded like, again, check your ears, lower down the volume. Sick. All right, anyways, that's it for today. Thank you guys. If you guys like this type of content, please consider subscribing, sharing with your friends, and that's it. Thank you. Bye.
Let's go!